Howdy, welcome to TBKHomeworld, and in this video, we're going to be talking about a killer deal that you have got to check out. So for those of you who haven't heard, there is a crazy deal going on right now at Lowe's with SKIL. And if you've watched any of my videos on my channel, you will know that I am highly impressed with SKIL, specifically their Hex Impact and their drill driver. I really love both of these tools. They did a phenomenal job on our head-to-head. If you haven't watched the video, check it out. Link is in the description. But just to give you a quick heads up, not trying to spoil it here, but this one comes in amazingly close to first place. You'll have to check it out to see who actually took first place in that video. So this is the 12-volt lineup that SKIL has, and we have most of the products here, but not all of them. We've been picking them up for a while now because we were really impressed with the tools whenever we first started buying them, and we've just been slowly adding on to the collection as time has gone on. Now, if you're checking out these 12-volt tools, some of them are 12-volt exclusive. Some of them, like this really interesting piece here, does both 12 and 20 volts. So if you have the 12-volt battery or the 20-volt battery, it will work on either battery platform. Now we have other ones that do that as well. For example, this light, and there's some others in here that do the same thing. So real quick, let's just go over what's currently on sale. First of all, one of the things that's not pictured here that we really wish we could have been able to get, but we weren't able to, is the 3/8" ratchet. If you can pick one of those up, they're supposed to be really good. Judging by the quality of all of these products, I have no issues recommending that even without touching it, because I am so impressed with these tools. But some of the things that they have, of course, is this oscillating tool. Very nice, very handy, very compact. That is the really nice thing about these tools, is they are so compact, and you can see how small the battery platform is with it. It's very similar to the DeWalt 12-volt line. However, this is actually a notch above the DeWalt 12-volt whenever it comes to the drill and the Hex Impact. Some of the other tools that we have is the really nice one-handed Jigsaw. Really like this tool. It feels good in the hand. If you have smaller hands, you may not like this one as much because it is definitely a bit bulky. This is where the motor is going to be. Brushless, really nice tool, does a very good job. Next, we're going to have their detail sander. Here's something that's really cool about this detail sander. If you're going to be working in confined spaces, this is the thing that you want, because you're going to be able to collect all of your sanding shavings in here. It doesn't just spit it out into the air. You are going to have to clean it out. That's the only problem with this. But other than that, this thing is really nice. Once again, brushless system, does a very good job. Really like this tool. Next, we're going to have the inflator. What can I say? It inflates. It does a really good job here as well. You turn it on, you set what PSI you want, connect it up to your tire, and turn it on. It stops whenever it reaches that PSI. They do a really nice job, and it's really portable. It's very nice, and it doesn't add much bulk whenever you put the 12-volt battery on the back of it. Next, we're going to have the speaker. The speaker typically comes with one of the kits. It's a speaker. It's going to fill the room with sound. You're not going to get amazing sound quality, but none of these Bluetooth speakers do you typically get amazing sound quality. If you have a small shop and you just want something where you can listen to a TBKHomeworld video while you're out there doing it, this will actually work. Next, we're going to have the 3/8" Impact. This thing impressed us big time. We removed chassis bolts off of a 3/4 ton truck. No issues whatsoever. Chassis bolts, suspension bolts, never a problem. Not once did this tool balk at us. That's a 12-volt platform able to remove stuff that goes down to 120 foot-pounds. That is impressive. Next, of course, I've already mentioned it, is going to be the Hex drill driver. If you haven't watched our video on it, please check it out. Once you're done with this one, link is in the description. You really will appreciate it. By the way, one of the things I love about these is this really cool light and how long they stay on for, and that is included in the video. Whenever it comes to overhead work, if you're gonna have your hands over your head, one of the things you'll find out very quickly is having that extra weight there just makes you so tired after a while. Having a nice 12-volt drill will really facilitate easier times for you to do that. We very much so enjoy using this one. We very often pick this one up anytime we're working overhead because it makes our life so much easier. Now this thing here, this was all the rage not too long ago. This is a very, very interesting tool. What I really like about this tool is not only do you have a swappable head, so if you want to drill a hole, you can drill the hole, push the button, and you can flip it around, and now you can use your fastener and fasten it through the hole that you've drilled. But that's not the thing I like about this the most. What I like about this the most is you are able to make this turn so crazy slow. You have a lot of torque behind it, but you can actually get your screw to spin very, very slowly. So if you're having an issue with camming out and you don't want to spin it really fast, this is a great tool. And again, this works on both the 12 volt and 20 volt platform. The other really cool thing, not only do you have this very interesting carry handle, but on top, you have a magnetic bit holder. So if you have a drill bit or a bit that goes in the end, you can put it up here, and it's surprisingly strong. We're really surprised how this was. Next, we're gonna have the Reciprocating Saw. Very nice, one-handed model, makes it very easy. This is even smaller than the Ryobi one that they recently came out with, the HP, and it is definitely smaller once you put the battery and you compare these two. Very nice, very comfortable in the hand, works perfectly fine, no issues at all. Next, we're gonna have the little light. Just slide in the battery and we have an adjustable head on it. We use this a lot under our vehicles. Next item on our list is going to be the little shop vac. Now you may be looking at this going, do I really want to spend $60? Well, hold on. It might be $60, might be a little bit more at your store, but not only does it come with the tool itself, but this is actually a complete kit. So it has a 2 amp hour battery with it, plus a charging brick and a cable. And I'll show you those here at the end. What we really like about this one is there is storage on the body for most of the stuff. We have the crevice tool in here, and then we have an addition here for a brush so that you can get down and get the carpet in your vehicles and things like that. So this works very well. It does come with some inflator nozzles as well, so you can hook this up to your tubes. For those of you who love to do weekend tubing here in Texas, you know who you are. This also does both 12 and 20 volt batteries. So if you're in the 20 volt battery ecosystem, this will work. And it has these nifty little holders on the back, so you can clip this on all sorts of areas, including a backpack if that's what you want to do. And emptying this is crazy simple. You push a button, it opens up the lid, and this part really surprised us. As you can tell, we've been using it, but this has a stainless steel outer shell and then a paper filter on the inside. This filter should last pretty much a lifetime, so long as you are taking care of your tool, because of the quality that they put into the filter. And last but not least in the tools is this really cool shop light. I really like this thing a lot. It's kind of a transformer. It moves on you, but what's really amazing is you can flip this thing around, you can rotate it around, you can put this thing in pretty much any position that you can imagine, and it extends up. So if you're working underneath a vehicle and you have it on jack stands, this will get you light underneath that. If you're working on a vehicle and it's on a lift, you can bring this out and you can extend this thing up to a very nice height, and now you can illuminate the vehicle you're working on. That's just one example. It's what we use it for around here, and that's not even the best part. What we really like about this kit, when you want to turn on the light, you step on the foot pedal. So if your hands are full of tools, step on the foot pedal and you can turn on the light, or you can dim the light, or you can even turn it off. And as promised, here is the little charging tool that comes with it. This is just a typical plug it into the wall. It has a USB-C on the back. All of these that come as kits are going to include this pack, and it's going to also include a USB-C wire. And that is how we charge these batteries on here. If you look, you flip it around to the side and there is an opening for you to be able to use a USB-C charger to charge this up. Now there are toolkits out there that have a battery charger where you can slide these in, like a lot of the other brands that are out there, but most of these you're expecting you to just be using the USB-C cable to charge these up. The prices on these right now are phenomenal, and that's why I kind of sound like a salesman right now. Most of these are 50% off. Some of these are 60% off. It's insane. The quality of the tool, the 12-volt system is great, especially for people who have strength issues. This system is going to blow you away. So if you have a Lowe's near you, I would go and get to it as soon as you can to check out these amazing deals. There's no telling where they're gonna be at on the stores. Ours were all over the place up in the tool section. So don't be surprised if you have to hunt and look around in order to find the tools that you want. They also have these deals available online. Be very, very cautious if you do that, because we were trying to get the 3/8" ratchet mailed to us. They wanted $79 to ship that tool for us. Even if we added more items to it, they still wanted $79 to ship that tool to us. No matter what we did, we could not get that price of $79 to go away. So be very careful, or you may end up paying $79 shipping to have a tool sent to your home. So that goes over the crazy deal that's going on with the SKIL. By the way, if you haven't checked it out, you can also go and look at the Flex line, because the Flex line is being discontinued at Lowe's as well. If you haven't used any of the Flex yet, you really should. They're extremely powerful. Torque Test Channel has done some usage of those tools, and they are always on top. And of course, Project Farm, Todd over there has done a really good job of showing them off as well. So if you haven't been to your Lowe's lately, I would highly suggest doing it, and make sure that you take some cash with you so you can get in on some of these amazing deals. Now, if you're concerned about future availability with this, right now, Amazon is still selling all of these tools as well. So you don't have to worry about it. They are not going to be gone. They are still being available on Amazon. So you're able to still purchase stuff over there if you want any of those tools. You're just gonna be paying full price for them compared to the sales prices that are going on at Lowe's. If there are any tools that are sitting here that you want us to review, you want a deeper dive into it, please let us know. We love all of the tools. We've been using all these tools. Some of them have gone into our head-to-heads. We've been really impressed with them. So if there's one of them that you want to see in action, let us know in the comments below, and we will do the best that we can to bring those videos to you. And with those comments, we're always looking for really positive comments to showcase at the end of the video, like this one. Thank you so much for leaving that positive comment. It really means a lot to us here at TBK Homeworld. And remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.